I'm not really sure if this is the best way to share, but right now in this moment, well, I don't really care. On the 23rd of the 3rd, 2021, a fire was started by a wet futon, which started to smolder as I tried it by the stove and eventually destroyed everything I ever owned. In fire and rain, I lost my home.
I said passport, I left my iPhone too. I lost all of my clothes, instruments, even my shoes. Compact cotton, polyester too. I don't know what was in that thing, but that water did no use. Doused it by the hour, around 4 times. Impervious to showers, I then dragged it outside as I'm smoking and choking. I tried to get some sleep, but at 4 a.m. I'm jumping back to my feet. Ran to the hose, but the hose didn't work. Pulled out the futon as my hand got burnt.
Escape with the car. I escape with the car. I escaped with the car that was scorched in the rear as I watched the world I once knew disappear. The flames growing higher, higher they reared as the dark stormy clouds just watched with silent tears. I died in that fire because there's nothing left, nothing which I used to identify with. Some minor burns, but physically I'm cool. There was no one else there, so for that I'm grateful. But man, what a fool. The guilt and the pain, the rage, the grief, the sorrow, the shame. Forgiveness is the tool which I use to remain. Forgiveness for myself, for only I'm to blame. I said,
my smartphone too is gone. No, I don't know what to do. My iPhone too, I lost all of my clothes, instruments, even my shoes. I said passport wallet. My iPhone too, I lost all of my clothes, instruments, even my shoes. I said.
Following this feed of my house in smithereens, I could not get to sleep, there were no welcome dreams. Trying to relax, flash back to the scenes of the fire and the rain. 180 degrees as it flipped my reality. From a futon fatality, the home with all my things. Blood, sweat and tears, I built it for my family. It's all disappeared. The ground beneath my feet. I'm stumbling. Now I'm stumbling from my identity. Then again, Minasan arigatou gozaimasu. Totemo kansha arimasu. Kono joukyo shinjirarenai kedo. Fuku kana ikato warui kato dachidemo kato wakanai yo kami no mizu shiru kore ga shinjitsu saidai no manabi wa kamata toki no watakai sama kore kara dou suru wakanai kedo daijoubu. When life seemed bleak, body and mind was feeling weak, nothing making sense, it's big for insurance. My home studio, all my instruments, recordings over weeks, months, years. Stuck in disbelief, still waiting for the tears. But in retrospect, insurance can't compare to the love and support from those who really care, who know when to step in, when it matters the most, who offer to help, whether they're rich or they're broke.
You know who you are. This music's just a start. Even though these words will never be enough, that you'll always be in my heart. This music is a show of appreciation from all your support and donations, local community and across the nations. You've helped me to awaken. My small wallet, my smartphone too is gone, but it's nothing compared to you.
It's still early days, but I feel the love in so many ways, like rays of sunlight on my skin, bringing new hope inside my veins, beating through my heart to get me through those moments when it's dark and cloudy, like fire in the rain, just as words can never replace the actions or choices that we've made. It's not the things that we've got, but the love that we give that truly makes us feel whole again.